My name is Nnamdi Kanu. I lead the largest mass movement on the face of this planet Earth. Determined men and women, prepared to give up everything in pursuit of what is right before God and before man. Let us call upon heaven to take its rightful position this very evening. I am going to pray a prayer of David, because we are nothing without Elohim Adonai El Shaddai, that gave us this very mission. The hardest mission in the world is to set Biafra free. The hardest task on this earth, because most of them are born ingrates.